times before inventing the light bulb. He didn't just see those failures, he saw them as steps towards success. Yes, you'll face setbacks. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's part of it. Let me ask you something. What would you do if one of your renters caused a massive car accident? Would your business survive the lawsuit? Or what if I told you that there's an invisible force that's working to stop you from ever making money in the car rental business? Now guys, I'm gonna play devil's advocate. So if I was a devil, I'd know exactly how to keep you cool,
frustrated, and spinning your wheels, literally.
So stick with me, because in the next couple of minutes, guys, I'm going to expose the traps that are designed to make you guys fail, and most importantly, how you guys can avoid them. All right? And by the end, you'll know how to protect yourself and finally hit that six-figure goal that you've been dreaming of. So let's dive right in, guys. All right. So number one, fear trap. All right. So first, I'll fill your mind with fear. All right. I'll whisper things like, what if the renter crashes your car? What if somebody sues you for everything you own? And you'd be awake all night thinking of the worst case scenarios, right? And here's the truth. Fear stops most businesses from starting than any lawsuit ever could, all right? But you don't have to stay stuck. Tools like GPS trackers, laws like the Graves Amendment, solid rental agreements, all right, insurance, are safety nets. Those are controls, all right? I'll give you an example. One of my mentees, right, was terrified of starting the car rental business and doing private rentals. We worked together, we set up the proper systems, put the right controls in place, trackers, vetting, and taught her how to go through the insurance game, and she's earned $600 in her first week. Imagine letting that fear keep you from that kind of income, all right? But what happens when fear doesn't stop you? That's when I'd use my next trick, all right? The overwhelm strategy. So if fear doesn't work, I'll make sure you're completely overwhelmed. I'll have you watching hours of YouTube University videos, reading blogs, and trying to figure out everything yourself. Analysis paralysis will become your best friend. And you know what the result's gonna end up being? You'd spend months doing research and no time actually making money. And here's the reality. The car rental business can be simple if you just focus on the right steps. Just 3 things, all right? Acquire cars using the right funding strategies, protect your fleet with the proper tools, and then market to the right people. That's it, guys. But you'd never know that, because I'll keep throwing more and more information at you until you almost give up. You still think you can make it past this trap? All right, let's wait to the next one until I isolate you a whole lot more. All right, number 3, the all on your own lie. So if I were the devil,
I'd convince you that you have to figure it out all alone. No mentors, no community, no accountability partners, just you and your mistakes.
Why? Because isolation is the enemy of progress. Think about it. Who's helping you avoid rookie mistakes? Who's showing you the shortcuts to success? Without guidance, you'd be wasting years learning lessons the hard way. All right, one of my students, Ryan, he came to me after losing $5,000 on bad rentals. And once he joined my mentorship program, we restructured his strategy and he made the money back under 2 months. The lesson? Don't fall for the do-it-yourself trap, all right? Mentorship isn't an expense. It's an investment in your success. Number 4, I'm gonna give the excuse machine. Now let's talk about excuses, all right? I don't have time. I don't have money. I'm not ready yet. If I were the devil, I'd feed you these lines every day until they become a reality. But here's the truth. Maurice started his fleet with just 1 car. He was working a full-time job and had barely any savings, but he made it happen. Today, he's earning over $2,000 a month in passive income from his rentals. Excuses are just fear in disguise, all right? If you're waiting for the perfect moment, you'll never start. The perfect moment is now, guys. Okay, so you've moved past excuses, you've moved past fear and overwhelm. But here's the biggest trap of all, and this one stops even seasoned entrepreneurs. Number 5, the marketing fantasy. The final trap is you're thinking you don't need a solid marketing plan. And I'll let you believe in the fact that you just need to list your car on a platform like Turo and all the renters will magically show up. Passive as heck, I won't have to do nothing. Wrong. In today's competitive market, you need a strategy. That's why I teach my mentees how to not only use paid ads to target high value renters, how to leverage social media for organic growth, how to create irresistible offers that keep their renters coming back. And here's the kicker. Marketing isn't just about getting renters. It's about getting the right renters. Vetting your clients ensures your car is treated with respect and returned on time. You skip this step and you'll be out of business even before you start. So now that you know the devil's playbook, and I got this from the book Outwitting the Devil, by the way, you guys should go read that book. Now the question is, are you guys going to let these traps hold you back? Or are you guys ready to take action? If If you're serious about building a 6-figure car rental business, you guys want my help? My mentorship program is designed to guide you guys step by step from acquiring your first car to scaling your fleet. You don't have to do this alone, guys. So click the link below to book a call and let's see if you're a good fit for my program. Don't let fear, don't let overwhelm or excuses steal your dream. The only thing standing between you and that success is action. Take it now, guys. Thank you guys very much. If you love this video, click the like button, y'all. Click the subscribe button so I can keep these coming. Thank you very much. Leave some comments, y'all. Let me know what you guys thought about this, and I'll see you guys on the next one.